Good night, teacher. My name is Mercedes Pavón. I am in H-year course A. I am going to talk about my town. In my neighborhood, there is a park. In my neighborhood, there is a hospital. In my neighborhood, there is a playground. In my neighborhood, there isn't a zoo. In my neighborhood, there is a car park. In my neighborhood, there are two schools. In my neighborhood, there aren't some swimming pool. In my neighborhood, there are 10 supermarkets. In my neighborhood, there aren't police stations. In my neighborhood, there are eight, eight, eight restaurants. Thank you, teacher. See you in the next class.